Hello, in this video I want to show you how to begin drawing on Amazon Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to click on the plus button next to the shopping cart in the top right corner of our screen. This will allow you to create your notebook, and for this purpose I'm gonna go with the blank version. You can also rename it right here. Then hit create, which should open a blank page, and now we can begin drawing. Select whichever tool you want and then basically draw. And that is it. Also, if you want to leave that mode, then you can click right here and then go back home. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.